So as you can see, it's your boy Kurt. It's your boy.
What up?
So.
Still smiling.
Still smiling. Hey, listen. I told you we do everything for y'all. We give you guys our last dollar. So because we give you guys our last dollar, the Power Man came, and today we're gonna have, for the next couple of days, we're gonna go green, fully green. What's he call that?
I call this. This is. We're participating in the Earth Week.
Yes, we are. Earth Week, people. So all the lights out, all the AC off. They cut our power again for non-payment because
they cut our power for non-payment because I want you to look at all those bags over there. See all those Whole Foods bags?
Let me go over here so you can see.
Come over.
Whole Foods bags.
There's stuff in there.
Let's go up in there. You see what we do? If you got fresh pineapples, fresh juices. Oh man, look at that! Look at that! Fresh fruits all around. This is all.
So show them how we're cooking.
So this is all for you. All for you. Again, we're in the studio right now cooking up some stuff, and we can't use. Let me just go over here. We can't use our beautiful kitchen top because it's electric. And guess what, people? It's Earth Week.
So
it's Earth Week. As you can see, the gas is on. Fire's on, looking real good. Let's take a look at that rice right there, brother. Look at that steam coming off of it. So you guys,
we're doing this for y'all because we have four events this week, okay? And out of the 4, 3 of them are totally for free. They're part of the Organic Takeover. And at this point, since we don't have any corporate sponsors on board, that for free portion means comes out of our pocket, which means FPL didn't get it. They've got enough of our money anyway. We don't like it too
exactly.
much. And what they don't know is as soon as we get back, we put solar panels on the roof. They're gonna pay us, And
yeah, you heard it from the sources here. So I just want to say, hey, participating in Green Week is not bad. Holla at your boy. Don't forget to jump online and donate. www.organictakeover.com.
Hey, and your donation helps us keep our lights on.
Yes, until FPL knocks on the door again. Holla!